Speciaal voor Radio 10. A new dawn. Here we go. Yeah. Some people call me the space cowboy. Yeah. Some call me the gangster of love. Some people call me Maurice, 'cause I speak of the trumpets of love. Now, people talk about me, baby. Oh yeah, they say I'm doing you wrong, doing you wrong. Well, don't you worry, baby, don't worry, 'cause I'm right here, right here, right here, right here at home. Come on, 'cause I'm a picker, I'm a grinner, I'm a lover, and I'm a sinner. I play my music in the sun. Oh, I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight toker. I sure don't want to hurt no one. Tell them what's happening early in the morning. You're the cutest thing that I ever did see. I really love your peaches, wanna shake your tree. Lovey-dovey, lovey-dovey, lovey-dovey all the time. Ooh yeah, baby, I should show you a good time.